Good evening, all. This is a presentation about untapped youth potentials strengthen the linkage between present and future of Indian farming. What are the untapped youth potentials? They are young farmer teams, skilled but unemployed youth, optimistic attitude towards farming, inclination towards farming, skill set of young farmers, migration into farming, agribusiness inclination, change of mindset. What is the current situation of farming and youth in India? There is a falling average size of farmland which is leading to low production on the GDP figures, and there is a Indian age breakup among which unemployment rate is more among the youth. So where are the jobs and what is the role of national youth policy? These are depicts about the figures about falling average size of farms and low production damping GDP figures and Indian age breakup. Among this, if you see 50% of Indian are between the age 15 to 44 which is an important cohort, that is youth, youngsters. Among the youth, unemployment rate is seen at global level and Indian level. If you see global population, global youth are distributed. Among them, 21% are neither in employment nor in education or training. If you see in the case of India, nearly 30% of Indian youth are not in training, education or employment. So this is an important cohort we have to concentrate to attract them into farming. So what is the role of national youth policy? Until now, in 2003 and 2014, national youth policies has been designed, but they have given more focus on overall development of youth and little focus is given on farming. Well, then what is the future of farming and youth in India? If you see, more agriculture startups must come into existence and innovative farming must be the future of Indian farming. And digital farming, the young farmers of today must be enabled to know the digital farming systems and technologies related to that one. Recognition to the young farm families. So the young families or young farmer families must be given due respect in the society. Then only they will be attracted into farming. And reservation system to young farm families. Most of the income earned by the farmers will be spent towards education and health of their children. So if we give reservation system where it helps them their children's education, then the farmers will be assured to some sort of income and they will be attracted towards farming. Finally, the youth policy reforms. Among these, farming must be made as a subject for all the higher education courses, must be a compulsory course for the students and college students. And finally, what I want to say is, so only attracting and retaining youth in India is not enough. They must be assured with standard income. Then only they are they will show interest towards farming. Thank you.